Ever tried to plank in thin air? Let's see if I'm worthy of the beast wall. The standard for this is 3 minutes. 3 minutes of pure discipline. Anything less, and you're just practicing. I'm here to set the standard. First, we prep the machine. Band pull aparts. Open that warrior chest. Try and get about 10 reps of these in. Like I said, open that chest. Focus on your scapula. Y'all see that sunrise coming up? This right here is important. It's the setup. It's everything. Heels dug into the wall. All right? Hips level with your shoulder. Neck neutral. The timer, it starts now. Let's get to work. $305. That's not just a number, that's discipline made visible. That's the standard. Now it's your turn. Why is this so brutal? It's a total test. Your posterior chain holds your spine stable. Your scapula has to fight to keep your shoulders healthy, and your mental grit is what finishes the job when your body, it wants to quit. This is the result of a plan. If you're done guessing and ready to build with a real strategy, the application link is in the bio. The forge is open. Let's work.